Guys, noodles for lunch. Look. Okay. Tas, chicken breast. And, put some parsley. This is fresh from my garden. And, sweet potato leaves, fresh from my garden also. Hey! Imagine it. Oh my god. Okay. It's very nice. I like it. Look. Oh, so yummy. Gawin nating healthy yung noodles. Actually, ilang taon na ako hindi nagno-noodles, ngayon lang ulit. So, gusto ko mag-diet hanggang Saturday kasi may event nga sa Sunday. Tsaka yung aking chicken breast. Oh!